Hey, this is RocketCity RVer. Out in the garage tonight working on a little project. I ordered myself a sign to go on the back of my RV with my logo, and I got it from Signazon. Appears to be connected somehow with Amazon. I'm not sure. They're not a sponsor in any way. I actually paid full price for this thing. It was actually pretty easy. Just put my graphics in on their little site and worked out what I wanted it to say and the size I needed it, all custom, and ended up having to do a little trimming, but it worked out great. Let's take a look at it real quick. Put it on the window on the very back of my trailer. That's the bathroom. Actually provides quite a bit of privacy because you can't see through from the outside, but on the inside looking out you can't even hardly see that it's on there. And it turned out really good. I'm pretty happy with that. Trimmed around it with an X-Acto knife and made it fit the window just perfectly, and it looks great. So if you guys see me out on the road, honk, wave, I'll do the same. And it looks like we're having a little bit of weather here in North Alabama tonight. Looks like it may be the storm coming through from Texas and Arkansas. We'll see how that works out. If you have any comments or any suggestions for future projects, please leave them down in the comments below. Like and subscribe. This is RocketCity RVer. You guys have a great night.